Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming firmware and Azure access, because without matching versions, the handshake fails. Once done, plug the Kaiser Azure Latch into power and join a 2.4 GHz network. This ensures stable initial provisioning. Then open the Azure portal and create an EOT hub. Copy the primary connections string into a secure note. Make sure to use an enrollment group if you manage multiple units, and keep credentials private. This prevents unauthorized access during device registration. You now provision the device. In the Latch app, paste the EOT hub connection string and assign a clear device ID so Azure can track it. Next, accept the TLS certificate prompt. This secures communications and avoids intermittent disconnects. Once connected, watch the device twins sync. Reported properties should show firmware, location, latch mode, and a heartbeat interval. If the twin doesn't update, restart the device once more. That forces a full reconnection and property reconciliation. You finish by sending a cloud lock/unlock command and verifying telemetry in Azure metrics. This proves end-to-end functionality. Then schedule OTA updates and set retry/backoff policies so updates don't brick devices during poor connectivity. If something goes wrong, capture device logs first, because logs reveal auth or TLS errors. Also confirm device time sync, and if necessary, reset Wi-Fi credentials and reprovision. Keep a checklist for retries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.